Imagine turning every argument into a chance to build a deeper connection. Let's explore how. Hi everyone, my name is Ishita. I'm a senior counselor at Happitude Studio. So today I'll be talking about the importance of conflict resolution in relationships, whether it's friends, family or even your partner. Conflict resolution एक ऐसी चीज है एक relationship में which builds the foundation of any relationship. Apart from that, how we communicate is also an equally important aspect. Sometimes what happens is, while two people are having a conflict with each other, they might be saying the same thing to each other, however in a different way. So काफी इन सब चीजों की वजह से misunderstandings build होती है. Now, during a conflict, it's very important for both the partners to be at least on the same level or try to be at a level where both of them, थोड़ा बस 19-20 का फर्क हो. Now, if in case two people are having a conflict, it's very important that how we communicate our needs. With respect to communication, there are 3 communication styles that are there: passive, aggressive and assertive. Passive communication तब होती है जब सामने से हमें कोई कुछ कहता है और someone just comes and says anything to us, even if no matter how it makes us feel, we are not able to say anything back to them or just even respond to that. Aggressive, on the other hand, aggressive communication style is when either we humiliate the other person, insult them or use very rude language to put our point across. Now the third and the last, which is the most effective way of communication, is assertive communication. Assertive communication is when we are respectful yet firm towards the other person. Now, assertive communication एक ऐसे तरीके से होती है in which there are 3 steps that need to be followed. First, acknowledge the other person. Second, represent your own feelings. And third, coming to a middle ground. So, middle ground, as I was talking about, that it's to come to a middle ground or to come to any resolution of a conflict, it's very important for 2 people to be on the same page or एक दूसरे के आसपास ही क्यों ना हो, तो at least if some person is here at any point of in a conflict and the other partner is here, right? Now it's not possible for this person to go from here to here and it's not possible for this person to come from here to here. However, when both partners come to a middle ground, they both are at the same level and then accordingly they can see कि अब क्या उनको how they want to navigate through the situation and how they want to deal with the conflict. So this is something that is really important. Now these days when during couple counselings or even during individual sessions, ये एक बहुत ही common चीज़ है which clients come in to deal with. Because communication इतनी weak हो गई है, misunderstandings इतनी ज़्यादा build हो गई है because लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आता. Apart from that, love languages. Now, love languages is something that everyone deals with in a very different way. Everyone has very different love languages. How they express their emotions, how they express their concerns, बहुत अलग होता है. Now, बहुत सारी love languages होती हैं, whether it's physical touch, words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service. A lot of different love languages are there. While communicating or even while exploring our interests, our needs, it's very important कि हम लोग अपनी खुद की love language identify करें. और after identification, we also tell about our own love language to our partners. So that when 2 people are trying to express their love, their concern towards the other person, both of them genuinely understand that yes, my partner is trying to show that he or she loves me or cares about me. If one partner's love language is words of affirmation and the other partner's love language is physical touch, so the person with the love language of words of affirmation should use physical touch to first of all express his or her love, so that the other person understands that yes, my partner is trying to show that he or she loves me, and vice versa. So these are the few tips and techniques which I feel are really important to solve any conflict in a relationship. To know more, you can always visit our website and book a session with me. Thank you so much.